Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Chessmates Uganda. Welcome back to my computer lesson. Hello class. We are going to have a revision on what we had the other time. As power is off, the other time we learned on the keyboard, the monitor. Everyone is going to tell me what he learned or what he remembers. Yes? Are we together? Yeah. What do you remember? Space bar. What is the use or the function of space bar? It creates space after every word. So to the viewers outside there, this kid is saying she learned the space bar and she knows its function as she has stated it, that it creates space between every word. So I think even those who don't know how to say there, you've learned the function of the space bar. Another one, caps lock. What is the function of caps lock? It turns from uppercase to lowercase letters and vice versa. Enter button. Enter button creates a new line. Enter button also creates a new page. Where is it? What do you remember? Delete. It is used to delete from the left side of the cursor to the right side of the cursor. Doctor, what do you remember? Backspace. Backspace deletes characters from the right side to the left side. What else do we remember? We said the monitor. What is the function of the monitor? You don't remember. The monitor, it displays information from the CPU. We said it does what? Displays information from the CPU. So the monitor is used for display. What else? What else? Did we learn on the power cable? Power cable? Do we learn on the power cable? No. Yeah, as we hear, the power cable, it supplies the power. It supplies what? It supplies power. This is the power. This is the power cable. Yeah. So this power cable supplies power from the power source to the computer or to the monitor. I'll ask you another time and you say, on that. Are you done with writing? Are we done? Then we have the mouth. I want silence. If you enter here, pick what you want, keep quiet. This is the mouth as you know. So we say the mouth has the left side of the cursor and the right side of the cursor. It has also a scroll bar. This is a scroll bar. This one. This thing that is moving, you can scroll it. Yeah. What is the function of this one? The mouse. What is the function of the mouse? Yes. The mouse is used for pointing. The mouse is used for pointing. It is also used for selecting. Selecting. It is also used for dragging. We have three items there: pointing, selecting, and dragging. So we are going back to the keyboard. The keyboard, we have some keyboard shortcuts. We can use, for example, if I want to restart my computer is freezing, I can restart it. How do we restart a computer? We learned how to start a computer, switching on and shutting down. Yes? Do you remember? Yes. So, if your computer is freezing and you want to restart it, today, since power is off, we are learning on shortcuts. We have control. Let me start from the simple ones. Control plus A is highlighting or selecting. Once we click Control A, let me pick this laptop. I show you. Once, like when we are in Word, yeah, and we click Control plus A is highlighting. Highlighting is like the other time we learned how you select. You learned how to highlight using the mouse. Not so? We learned, yeah? Yeah. So, in simple terms, when we are using so our word is opening. Are we seeing? For example, so once we press Control A, it is highlighted. it is highlighted. Are we seeing? Control plus A is highlighting or selecting. That is selecting. Are we seeing? Yeah. We have Control plus B. Control plus B is bolding. How do we bold? For example, in your book, if you're writing the title, there is a way you darken by using a pen. You know what you do. So even in a computer, sometimes the titles, we press Control B and they darken. They become very dark, as we are going to see. For example, I sing this one. Yes? Then if I press Control A, I highlight. Yes? Control B is it? Bolding. I was thinking the way it has changed. It has changed. Control plus A is it? Highlighting. Control B is bolding. Then we have also Control C is copying. For example, the other time we learned how to copy and paste. So here is the shortcut. We press Control A, that is highlighting. Highlighting is the first thing. Then you press Control C is copying. Then you go to your new page where you want to paste it. Then you press Control V. Control V is pasting. Those ones who are writing, I think I will ask you. So we have Control A is highlighting, Control B is bolding, Control C copying, Control V pasting. Then another shortcut is Control plus S. Control plus S is saving. Control plus S is saving. So for example, you're typing, the moment you start like this, you press Control S. You press Control S, you save your work. I told you, you save as, you pick your name, you type there the file name that you want to save your document. You save as your name. I can save as Wedding, I can save as who? Bashir. So Control S. We have Control Y. Control Y. For example, you're doing your work, and you make a mistake. Later you go back, you want to delete. Then by mistake, you delete the whole work. There we press Control Y. That is redo the action that you done. Then your work comes back. Later you delete what you want to delete. So Control Y is redo. Control Y is the opposite of Control Z. Control Z is undo. Let's all finish to write. So to the viewers outside there who are interested in this service, we are here at Wetambogwe. This is Hope Institute, Uganda. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, share, and comment. Even those who want to collaborate with us, come. We want to build the future generation. We want to build the younger generation. These are the younger trees of the forest. So we want to boost them. We give them skills. So don't forget to subscribe. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.